There's a couple of squirrels enjoying at the bottom of the feeder. That's fine. The squirrels actually haven't bothered me that much. Granted, like the raccoons, they were eating my seed, but they took a lot less than the raccoons. And like the raccoons, that squirrel baffle there has worked wonders. I don't even really see them try. When it first went up, the squirrel baffle, I did see some climbing in those bushes back there. But by the time they're close enough, the branches are just so thin, they can't support the squirrel's weight. I don't know if any of you all saw Mark Rober's Squirrel Ninja Warrior course, as he tried to keep squirrels away from his bird feeder. It's a lot of effort when that little squirrel baffle I have has worked wonders. You're also probably millions times more likely to have seen that video than you are to see this one. So, there's that. But right now there is an indigo bunting, a cardinal, that was a house finch that just flew away, and maybe a chickadee that just came in. The indigo bunting, that guy right there, is one of my favorites, just because I'd never seen or heard of an indigo bunting before. But yeah, I certainly don't mind the squirrels down there, as long as they're not eating the birds out of house and home. And no need for a Ninja Warrior course for my squirrels. Though there is, right now, a squirrel enjoying my deck. But maybe he'll run over and join the others at the bird feeder. Who knows? There he is. Doesn't really seem like he's joining the others. Definitely a finch on the aptly named finch sock in the back there. A house finch. And that's a chipping sparrow on the front feeder. Well, honestly, the baffle works so well, I hardly ever see the squirrels try and climb up it. Maybe one might try, but it looks like they're actually running the other one off. So there's that house finch in the back and the chipping sparrow in the front.